A warm welcome to all. I am Aishwarya Tyagarajan and you're watching Aisha's Garden. In this video, how to do a turmeric plantation and what are the steps have been involved in this process we are going to see in detail. Come on guys, let's jump into this video. Before doing plantation, the land should be plowed twice or thrice time not to form lumps in the soil. To avoid lumps in the soil, by adding compost and ashes on the soil, after we plow the land, the soil gets enriched. While we plant our plantlets on the soil, the plantlets will grow as much as faster. And now you are seeing a cute little turmeric plantlet. This plantlet growth rate was about 25 to 35 days ago. Let's see how the plantlet will grow soft. This plantlet, which arises from the node, I used to sprinkle water on the top of the old turmeric cubes. I used to place the tubes on the shallow place. The old turmeric takes the tubelet as a source. It helps to form the node formation. At the bottom of the nodes, you can see the roots and the rhizome has been formed. The small hairs has been represent rhizome. The rhizome which arises from the roots. Let's see how the plantlet has been removed from the old tubes. Between these two nodes, this part is called as internode. Take a knife, cut the internode part, remove the plantlet from the old tube once. Before doing a turmeric plantation, the part should be filled with water. After 2 hours, then we plant our turmeric plantlet on the soil. The turmeric plantlets should be planted in a zigzag way of manner on the pathway. Between the two plantlets, we should leave 1 feet of gap. Why? Because the plant will grow more tubes to get more yield from it. After 5 to 6 months, we can cultivate these turmeric plants. Thank you guys. I am signing off this video. We will see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Take care.